laugh about it.
Well, thanks, Jimmy. I appreciate you, pal.
Thank you for coming on, man. I really appreciate it.
Been on Hollywood Squares, and also the.
You ever do that?
You ever do that?
You ever buy shampoo with conditioner?
Yes. What did you do with Jeff?
He's not here today. He might be back next week. And in the event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh.
Shows. Pasadena Media, primarily in LA, they had a lot of studio shows. So I got invited to do a lot of lectures on.
Oh, and the other dude. Nothing. We ain't seen that otherwise.
We really kept her. Well, we kept her.
Should be
Never mind that. Never mind that, Brad.
And it's hard to believe, but you were in a John Wayne Gacy movie. I mean, that's
one of my favorite movies is 1, 2, 3 with.
John's going to venture into stuff like ambiguity.
Just wanted to know. In 2007, you appeared on Criminal Minds.
Jimmy? Would that'd be the first thing? It has foam in it. I would.
Surface is when a certain.
What was that?
it's my show.
Killing it, boy, killing it.